Our philosophy about our customers is they're our stockholders. You know, they're the ones that invest in us to do projects for them. We want to do the best we can in return and make sure that we get their job done right, promptly, on time.
Need of new roofing, windows, or even siding. Here to help us is Josh Nancaro of Tristate Roofing and Exteriors.
I'll take care of you. We'll come out there, we'll see what's going on, we'll fix this problem.
I mean, our window guy is certified, our siders are certified, our roofers are certified, my consultants are certified.
I'm just amazed at how you can take all these things and just make it look like a new home. Thank you so much, Josh, for sharing all this.
Thank you.
They know how to put on a roof.
So when they come out to a job site to take a look and see what's going on, they'll walk around your house and do an evaluation. And then they'll show you options. And then you can decide from there what you think.